Since we're trying to learn JavaScript, we need a good system so that we can write our code and actually see our output and see if our code is functioning correctly. So for that, we're going to be using the Chrome console to actually see our outputs for the major part of this course. So we actually write our code in a VS Code app.js file, and we're going to run that through the browser console to see if it works. So now, since a web browser only understands web pages, I've created this index.html file over here in the app folder I introduced in the previous video. So this is just index.html and app.js. In index.html, I'm going to simply write some boilerplate code, and this is entered over here. Now, if you have taken the HTML and CSS course on I Love Coding, you have noticed that if you simply type in the exclamation point and hit tab, it's going to basically put in all the basic HTML on the page. So that's all we need for now. And over here, above the title or whatever in the page, I can simply write in the script element and write app.js over here. So we are linking this app.js file from our index.html page. So if I save, refresh, we should have the app.js attached. So if I simply write in console.log and say hello, if this particular file is attached, we should see that output in the console. So I'm going to save and inspect and go to, just make this big, go to console and refresh. We see hello over here. So yes, we have successfully attached app.js via this index.html page over here. Now, one thing I want to just tell you is that whenever you want to write an output to the console, you simply write console.log and whatever you want to log or write to the console, and you do that. So you can simply write hello, I'm Aziz, or whatever you want, and that's going to be outputted over here. Now, every time you make a change, you want to refresh this page. You see index.html is open and index.html gets loaded over here on the page. It goes, reads everything. It says, oh, there's a app.js attached. Okay, I'm going to load it as well. And if it goes to app.js, it just executes whatever code is written. So that's the setup we need. Make that setup, and I'm going to talk to you in the next video where we're going to learn more.